Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. I'm at the Aster Creek in Dallas, Texas. We just took a look at the first floor of this beautiful penthouse loft apartment. We're gonna go upstairs and see the top floor now. So let's go up and see it. Can't wait to show it off to you, it's beautiful. Wow, okay, so really nice area here. This is just kind of this open area. You can maybe have maybe a little desk here. It's not a huge area, but it is kind of a cool area. It's got a built-in shelf in there too. It does have, okay, your washer dryer is there. This is a door that doesn't open, so I guess that could be some usable space. But now let's actually walk into the bedroom. Bedroom's really cool. You're gonna like it. This is what it looks like here in the bedroom. Wow, very, very cool. So this is the penthouse and this is the second floor. So this is the top floor of the penthouse. This is adorable, very cool. This is a window that I think will open. Oh wow, it does actually open. So you can get some air in there. That's pretty cool. And this is what it looks like. It's a very tall ceilings, probably 11 feet, 12 feet. And it's got space here for probably a smaller bed. And a really fun area to be up here. Maybe this could also be a study, an office. This is a really nice closet that's here, so adorable. And then here is the bathroom. So the bathroom here, this is a dual sink bathroom. Very nice. This does have a separated shower area here too, so that's cool. And then, yeah, just a good sized bathroom, beautiful. And then what I love about it is, that's here, and then you've got some great views from up here too. This is a beautiful loft style 2-bedroom at the Aster. Hey, if you want to get more information about it, send me a text, just use the number below. Can't wait to hear from you. We can set up Zoom tours live, or we can set up a live in-person tour as well. Either one of them is always free with our service.